And you want to know why OLED, people? This is why OLED. And this is a B7. Check this out. The B7. Look how beautiful that is. And in here, if you want to see some of the... So that's Cinema Home. Standard. Look how bright that is. Wow. Vivid with my custom settings. All I want is this TV, the 65-inch version. Why can I not get that? So, if you want to know why I've had so many issues with TVs this time, it's because look at this picture. Look at the picture quality on this Oled B7. Outstanding. The only thing is, I want this TV in a 65-inch version. That's all. But here, let me show you some of the picture settings. So this is vivid mode. Outstanding. Standard without me making any calibrations. Cinema Home. Cinema. Now again, tell me how OLEDs are too dim. Please make that case for me. The only where it's a little dim is in game mode. But look at this. Wow. I actually can't wait to get my OLED back into my living room. And see how easy it is to just get in and out of stuff. I mean, this is why I love OLED, because it's so easy. Like you just hit the home button and boom, everything's right there. I could continue to watch what I want to watch. If I want to get into my settings, it's very easy. I just hit the settings button, boom, there it is. If I want to go right to my picture modes, I just hold the settings button and it just comes up and I can start playing around with my settings. Everything's just one button away, and that's why I love this. Whereas with the Sony, it just feels harder. And that's all there is to it. And this is why, I'm fine with returning the Sony TV and sticking with my OLED B7 for another year, just seeing what 2020 brings. And that's all it comes down to. I just don't need the Sony 950. I mean, if this TV ever burns, then we'll see what happens. But otherwise, until that time, I'm perfectly fine with this. So anyway, talk to you later. Bye.